Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm doing a maintenance repair on this TORO push mower, and it's got the Briggs & Stratton motor on it. And I got this kit from HIPAA, as you can see, and this part number is 491588S. It comes with the air filter, pre-screen filter, fuel filter, and a spark plug. And if you guys are wondering how you can get that part, just punch that number into Google or whatever. I'm going to put the link in my description, and if you're not sure how that works, there's a little down arrow down by the comment section. You just click on that, and then you'll be able to see the description. From there, there's a link. You just click on that button. That'll take you to the website, which is Amazon. Take you right to this part number. So to do this repair, it's really simple. All we have to do is remove this 5/16 screw, or you can use a flathead. Pull that right off. Pull out the old air filter. Then we'll put our pre-screen in front of the air filter itself. Line everything up. Drop that in. And once all those sides are aligned, we'll just push it back together. And most of the camera work that I do is with one hand, so it's much easier to push pause and do it with two hands. And you can see their pre-screens in there. We'll drop in our air filter. Get that lined up, and we'll just then close it up and retighten our screw. And next we'll just pull off our spark plug boot. I did pre-loosen that, it doesn't come off that easy. And I have a 13/16 socket. Simple stuff, guys. I'm sure if you've done repairs like this before, you know how easy this is. I'm just showing the process. And the new spark plug is a B6SE, and we'll just reinstall the new one. And attach the spark plug boot. Now this push mower doesn't have a fuel filter, but if you did want to do it, they do have directions on which way the gas flows. There's a little arrow there. So basically what you would do is snip some line in probably 2 inches wide. You'd snip some line and then put hose clamps on either side once you attach the fuel filter. So that's a fairly simple process. But that is a good way to prevent debris from getting into the carburetor itself. So that's not a bad idea if you have a fuel filter to swap that out, but I'm not going to do it on this one. So that was some easy maintenance on the push mower. And again, I will put that part number in the description, so if you need to order that, it'll be there. Hopefully you got something useful out of this video. I appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.